In the silence of time, four bold explorers venture into ancient civilizations, abandoned villages, rolling landscapes, and forgotten forests. Among the ruins of a distant era, majestic and absurd stories emerge. In this journey through abandoned lands and forests, life manifests in unimaginable and ironic forms. Every step is a dance with absurdity, uncovering secrets that defy logic. The four travelers, like modern treasure seekers, investigate the mysteries of forgotten villages and history-infused woods. Carved stones and trees reveal an enigmatic past. And so amidst ruins and intricate paths, the four discover that life is an enigma to be solved with curiosity and irony. In the mystery of Orvieto, they find the meaning of that which cannot be explained with common words.